So I got good news. We did a couple things to slime already, and I just wanted to cut a quick video. It'll be like a quick bonus video for you guys here on YouTube. Now the throttle does have an issue, and I'm guessing it's because when Slime unplugged her pedal box, her throttle is running up. God, she sounds good. So it is running. The lights are all working. Now we tried to turn all these lights off. Okay, they are off now. So I was able to turn all the exterior and underglow lights off. So maybe, just maybe, the battery won't be dead. And we'll be able to continue to check on it. But the issue that was keeping the car from going into gear has been resolved. She will now drive. So we can get in here and I can get on the brakes, and that stops the throttle. So that's why I know it's either like the pedal has been unplugged, is what I'm guessing, because I know Slime was running a pedal box. But look at this now. If we go into gear, she moves. If I go into drive, she moves. All right, so the car is actually running now. We're in a much better place there. Now I wanted to see her coolant temp is good. As you can see, she's not running hot. It's been sitting here running at about 2,000 RPMs here for a while. Trans temp is good. Oil temperature is great. Oil pressure is good. About time for oil change. Voltage looks good, so we're going to see if she'll fire back up. We're going to shut her down now. All right, she's off. We're going to put our foot on the brake, and 3, 2, 1. Nope, battery's too dead. That's why I wanted to let her run for a little bit. We're going to go ahead and turn her off. We'll turn her off. All right. So we'll check on the battery. Maybe I need to put a trickle charger or something on it and leave it running one of these times that we're out here and try to restore that battery. But I'm looking forward to it, man. We got everything in line to pick this car up. You guys got a chance to hear her run. I'm excited. Little bonus video for y'all today. I'm excited. I am looking forward to getting on this project. And for y'all that keep jumping in the comments and telling me that this motor is not going to handle boost, I'm not an idiot. I understand that this engine on this car is going to require the bottom end to be forged. I'm not, you know, I'm not a noob, okay? So yeah, I get it. And for you guys saying, why would I tear up a Hellcat or another, you know, whether it's wide body or not, Hellcat to build this car? And it's real simple. This car is a sentimental attachment for somebody. All right, and if you don't understand that, then you're not a car person, and just stay in your lane. All right, this is my lane. Let me do what I'm doing. So we're gonna take this thing. Like I said, a lot of the body panels and stuff are gonna have to be fixed anyway. So instead of, you know, fixing that door, we're just gonna replace that door. You know, steal the fenders on both sides, so we don't have to change the wide body kit. Hood, front fascia, all that will pop right back onto here. And we even have core support and structure if we need to cut it out of the other car to put it on here. But you know, now we know, you know, she is running. If you don't follow SlimePack_392 on YouTube yet, go do it. Also go follow her on Instagram, and she's also on TikTok. She also has this nasty purple wide body right now that is just killing the game. So go give her a follow, because that would be, you know, the appropriate thing to do. All right. So that said, you know, this car will live again, and it's going to live a really good life. Watch what I tell you. We're set and we're prepared. You know, barring somebody being a dumbass and trying to bid us up to like 50 grand, which is, you know, not going to happen. We'll have this car in hand. We're literally only waiting on title to be provided from the insurance company, and it can take a little bit of time because of everything with COVID and the insurance companies being behind. So once that's here, they can list this thing. It will be available for sale. I will put notifications out. You guys will be able to watch the auction with me in real time, and you guys will be able to watch us bid and win this car as well. So there you have it, guys. A little bonus video for y'all today. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. It lives.